Jack,
Hmm?
you having fun?
No,
Why?
because Vauxhalls are shit.
What is up, guys? Welcome your faces back to a brand new video. Today we're going to start work on the Insignia. We're going to strip it down, ready for that head gasket. Again, this is going to be in maybe 2 or 3 parts. Depends how long it takes because we've got to send the head off to be skimmed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try and attempt to move the Insignia into the unit so we've got plenty of space. Hope you're enjoying this content, guys, so make sure you're smashing that like button and comment down below and hitting that subscribe button. Channel rename is coming soon, as well as the new logos and all that sort of stuff, the outros. It's coming very, very soon, guys, so you will see that change from 1 week. So again, we are uploading Monday to Friday, and then time lapses on a Saturday or a Sunday. So without further ado, let's go and start this Insignia and get it in the unit. So as you just saw from that clip, the Insignia would not stop at all. Honestly, we just sat there for ages trying it. It just would not turn over. So we've had to push the Insignia into the unit, get the 350 in as well, because that can't be outside. So now it's in here. We are going to strip this down, and you guys are going to come along with this process. So let's crack on with stripping this Insignia.
Yeah. No.
So with them little clips, you just seen us take off the, well, try to take off the induction pipe, but for some reason it seems to be either held on by something at the bottom like silicone, and we don't want to try and force it off and cause any more damage, so we're going to have to try and work around that. We've took the cone off and the mass sensor as well. Also, you've seen us draining the oil, and if you noticed, there was a lot of coolant in that oil. There should be no coolant in there whatsoever, and you can also smell the coolant over the oil, which again is never a good sign. So even more signs pointing towards that head gasket. What Jack's just doing now is removing the power steering pump. We're not going to show you that in these little clips because you've obviously seen that in the previous video where we took that off to replace that coolant pipe and the coolant reservoir as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump ahead and start removing the heat shield and everything else. And yeah, smash that like button, guys. So the manifold is now off, the Insignia. The coil pack is off as well. Also part of the wiring loom is now coming off. Jack's just finishing up the few little bits on there. so that can come away. So we're going to proceed a little bit more so we can get down to the head, so we can take that out to be skimmed. Again, it's a long process, these things take quite a while, but again, we're not dragging these mechanical bits out, so it's long-winded and you guys get bored. It's just quick snippets. It makes it a little bit more enjoyable. So, without further ado, Jack is now loving life. Simon's just pretending he's not even there. But Jack's just finishing off that, like I said, and then we're going to take some more parts off. So, again, cue montage. Jack, you having fun?
No.
Why?
Because Vauxhalls are shit.
You so know that's being on the intro.
Different tasting fucking toothpicks again. They're making toothpicks that taste like lime and lemon and shit. We saw them earlier. I'm just talking shit. And I don't care.
What are they, Simon?
Mate, you've not seen them, they're on there. They're toothpicks that taste like lemon and shit.
And why are you looking to buy them?
I don't, but they're on my Instagram, innit?
So there you go, guys. Simon wants to buy some lemon flavoured toothpicks. Now let's get back to this head gasket, eh, Simon? A little bit more progress. These things take a lot of time. Auxiliary belt is now off. Engine mount's coming off as well. The throttle body's also off. Thermostat housing's off. So yeah, we're getting everything down, stripping it all down so we can get to that head, basically. And it's a long process, and Jack has had enough. And we're about ready to call it for a day, aren't we, Jack?
Not till it's off.
See that? Determination. So, we're going to get this off, and then, like I said, we're probably going to end this video after and do it in a couple of parts. It is 20 past 10, and, you know, we've got to get the head skimmed and everything else at the same time. So, let's get back to this. So you've just seen us take the rocker cover off and a load of other bits as well, timing belt, all that sort of malarkey. But you can also see here now, just want to show you this, how much water's actually in here. You can see it everywhere.
Worse than the jackets, yeah.
Yeah, you can see it there just down here. Literally just covered in oil. Even the spark plugs had oil on the bottom. Not oil, sorry, coolant on the bottom as well. Which, bad sign. Very, very bad sign. So we've got a little development. Jack's going to explain what he's took off and that so far. And we're going to give you a little update. It don't look good, does it?
No. We took out the head bolts and took the head off. And we found. Where is it? Is it that one?
That's the one.
Yeah.
This is why we've got an issue. Obviously, it shouldn't be splitting like that, should it?
No.
At all. And what else have we found?
Water in the pistons.
So let's have a little
Well, in
gander.
the balls.
You can see here. And that has been caused by that little thin piece of metal. Oh dear. That's what everybody dreads going on the car. But again, look, this should not be like that. It should all be one.
Like this side.
Yeah, that's all one on that side. But again, the other side's just completely split. So unfortunately, that is the problem.
Fixed.
It's going to get, if only, it's going to get fixed. We're going to send the head off to be skimmed. I'll probably record that in the next video and then pick the next video up as well. So you won't see the different time difference of like the 3 days. But what we're going to do, we're probably going to end that here now, aren't we? Because it's been a long day and it's 11:25. We'll put this in a part 2. Not sure what day this is going to go up. So make sure you guys are watching every single video. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe as well. And we'll see you for now. Peace, guys.
Yeah, don't forget in this time.
What are Vauxhalls?
Shit.
Definitely.